Next up, the Weapon Storage Keycard. A quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. This is used on Armory, and zooming into the far south down here inside of the main building, use one of the three entrances, left, middle, or right, to get inside and head across to the core unit in the center. Head up the stairs on the left or the right to the second floor, and once you're up on the second floor, head towards the control room here. This little back room is the equipment room, and that's where we'll be heading. So from the stairs into this back room, where we usually have the exit button here, into this back room here. Alright, so coming back on a different raid, this room is locked. Fantastic. Let's unlock it. And just inside, we now have a MPX up on the wall, a Mosin scope, not much else loose loot. Oh, another MPX. That's pretty good. So we'll grab that and fold them. And of course, behind us, we have these two weapon crates, a BM59 carbine, 7.62, not bad. Then inside of this next crate, we have an Uzi, stock, handguard, BP ammo, not bad. And that's pretty much it for this room. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.